Why have you been avoiding me?
I've been busy.
Oh yeah? With your wife, I guess? Have you forgotten I'm carrying your child? Don't you think I need to be checked up on? Don't you think that I need some care?
Why are you raising your voice?
Let me raise my voice. I am upset, so let me raise my voice. I am carrying your child. I should not be kept
Listen,
lonely.
if you continue like this, I'm going to walk you out of my car.
You will not dare, Mona.
Enough is enough!
If this is how you speak to your wife at home, you will not speak to me like that. You hear me?
Did you just slap me?
Don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. Don't you dare.
You slapped me.
Don't touch me. I mean it. Don't come anywhere close to me.
If I touch you, what will you do?
Don't.
What?
I warned you. I want you to stay the hell away from me. Mona, stay away from me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
If I see you anywhere close to me, if I see you anywhere close to me, if I see you close to me again, I'm going to kill you.
I'm sorry I overreacted.
Tell me.
I am sorry, please.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.